Hi. Hi.
Getting ready to dive in the mud.
Today is fishing day and Evander is gonna be diving in the mud, but he wants to comb his hair. Look at him. Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to Alika's world, and you already know what's gonna happen today. It's a fishing day at our pond, and today we're getting ready to fish. So, hi Shiva, Arno, hi Shiva, hi. So we're still waiting for some of them to arrive. No, I mean not much. My sister and my in-laws, they're gonna come to, have a good time together fishing around. So I'm going nearby the pond to see what my husband is doing right now. I'll show you guys.
Bye-bye.
Enjoy this vlog with me, guys. Looks like fishing is already started. Oh. I might also go in later on. Look at him. My husband. Love of my life. Are you finding any fish or you're just enjoying the mud?
Fish.
Wow. I'll also join. Are you
First, it is the mollusk.
mollusk?
Snails.
Oh, I didn't know it's called mollusk.
Hey, the snail mollusk is something else, but I just wanted to sound good.
Oh. Good, good. Ake. Mới lớn ra. À. See. Fish. They are all hidden in this, under this. You see this fish? You spot this? There's one big catfish. Oh wow.
No.
줄여줄게.
Mama, Papa.
All the best, Nathan. Go, go. Bye. We're gonna pluck some jujube. There are lots of ripe jujube or jujube, I don't know. So it's gonna be wow. Wow! Woo!
Video bana.
Nice trick. Ekta dita dalak.
What good dalet? हाथ पे इनका धरना वीडियो बनाओ उठा चलो 7 kg. Final bago.
तो एकला पारुनी নহয় তালা উঠাই কিনা দিবি খালি ইচ্ছা চল 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 ছাড়বি तेरे का इतना मुरी जाओ दे इनका रखिले तो तीन
We've done with our fishing. I also went in and I became very dirty, so I've cleaned up myself, and now we've started cooking the fish. I'll show you guys. Here, these are the small ones. It's been cooked separately. Yeah, we're cooking it separately. This small fish, and then that water looks like cockroach thing. I don't know what it's called in English. And this is chicken, and this is fish. We're cooking this by the fire so that it becomes more tasty. Fresh fish from the fishery. They're also here. Please say hi.
What is that?
Video.
Prime Minister Modi is still alive.
Yeah. We just saw the headlines that he's dead, so.
Some fake news.
You cleaned up.
News.
You cleaned up yourself?
I just washed.
Good. Our birthday girl. Today she's celebrating her birthday. Miss India.
So funny.
Boy. Babies are asleep. I'll show you guys. They're both sleeping. Brothers asleep. Both of them. Aren't they so cute facing each other? Look at his hairstyle. This is snail. It was almost full, but then I forgot to take the clip, so it's still full, but then it was like over full. And we've made a package to distribute to our friends and neighbors, family, relatives. So these 2 crates were full, and these 2 crates were full. But now, since we have distributed most of them, this is for us now. This is kawaii. This is akaki in a way. Big one, akaki. Yeah.
Goroi.
Goroi, yeah, which one?
This one is the big goroi.
Oh, goroi.
This is
Akaki.
Japan kawaii.
And this is
Local magur.
magur. Yeah, fishes we have made packed for family members, friends and relatives at sea. Half has been cooked, and this is the remaining portion.
Wild fish.
Yeah, so this is it, river snail. Everybody's die-hard fan of this. Credit goes to this. He has been arranging this for quite some time, and he's quite upset with me because I couldn't take picture for some time, so